And now we have an update on a story 9 on Your Side has been following closely. Healthcare fraud charges against a Mason spine surgeon may be decided on treatments for a genetic spine disorder.
Question is whether the patients did or did not need the surgery. Reporter Tom McKee live with how this will play out in U.S. District Court. Tom?
Well, Clyde, this criminal complaint accuses Dr. Durrani of Medicare fraud and performing unneeded surgeries, and it cites the cases of 5 unnamed patients. Well, the doctor and his attorneys tell me they believe the cases involve Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, a genetic effect which can mean instability at the base of the neck. To operate or not operate, that's the question that medical experts are going to have to decide right here in a courtroom. Dr. Durrani has been a practicing surgeon in Cincinnati since 1997 and says his extensive training lets him take on the most complex cases, especially ones involving Ehlers-Danlos syndrome.
There's a very few people in this country that actually know about this disorder, and there are just 3 centers across this nation that deal with this.
Many of the doctor's patients with the disorder say they had major pain problems before he did successful surgeries. And they added they never felt pressured for the operations. That includes Carrie Capetillo, her daughter Nina, and her sister Chris Farwick.
I can move and exercise and go out. I can work. I'm very comfortable. And, and I wouldn't choose another doctor.
You know, we all walk in knowing what we're getting done. And it's explained even in black and white when you're signing the papers.
That's contrary to Stephanie Heron-Thren's experience with Dr. Durrani for her EDS.
We had the surgery, and after the surgery, my symptoms began to worsen dramatically. It got worse and worse over time to the point that I was barely functional.
That prompted a second opinion and a stunning conclusion from the doctor.
He looked at the pre-surgical films and said that the surgery was unnecessary. There was no evidence of instability ever.
That's just one of the 150 malpractice lawsuits attorney Eric Dieters has filed against Dr. Durrani.
I am saving lives.
This is a difference of opinion between experts, and I absolutely welcome an academic debate about the difference of opinion.
Now, a federal grand jury here is going to consider criminal charges against the doctor next month. The Dieters cases, 17 of them, well, they're already set for trial in Butler and Hamilton counties. Tom McKee, 9 on Your Side, live downtown.